That scale. Don't cut it. LEV006. Let's go, baby. Moving right along. Moving right along. If you definitely fuck with my YouTube channel, man, like, share, and subscribe. Kenny Bean Empire. 3 pillars, man. What are the 3 pillars? Barbering, photography, entrepreneurship. I'm banging that shit down you motherfuckers' throat. Straight up. 3 pillars that represent Kenny Bean: barbering, photography, and entrepreneurship, baby. Yeah. 2018, stop fucking bluffing. Go out this bitch and get that money, shorty. Yeah. If you need a haircut, if you need a photo shoot, if you need some photos edited, if you need a video taken, if you need a music video, if you need a prom picture, if you need a haircut, if you want to know how to have your own clothing line and have a website that makes money, holla at me now. Hop in that comment section, email me, follow the way, follow the journey. We do this shit. I do this shit. HD quality work. You know that's my shit. I got slogans out this bitch. Listen to the rest of my content, yo. Watch some of them videos. Let me know what you think. And remember, man, I'm trying to tell you guys, do not give a fuck what anybody say about you, shorty. When you realize that, you gonna be free. It's like your mind is just free to think, man. You gonna become a free thinker. I'm telling you now. So log in with me, yo. And I'm about to be banging these videos out just because I love to do it. When you love what you do, you really can do that shit, you know what I'm saying, genuinely. Genuinely. Coming to you live from Baltimore, Maryland, man. Kenny Bean Empire. This coffee got me lit, and I'm just ready, yo.